Most people think of Brazilian waxing as a moment of pure discomfort, but what if it could become something entirely different? What if it could be a moment of clarity, confidence, and genuine empowerment? Today, we're rewriting the old narrative and exploring how a mindful approach to waxing can transform both your comfort and your self-confidence. Let's be honest, almost everyone has felt a little dread before a waxing appointment. It's universal, and it's completely normal. But in 2025, beauty is evolving. It's no longer just about the end result. It's about intention, mindfulness, and choosing what makes you feel powerful. Around the world, conscious self-care is rising. People aren't simply removing hair anymore, they're redefining the experience itself. They're turning a moment of discomfort into empowerment, using mindset, preparation, and awareness to take back control of their bodies and their confidence. A comfortable waxing experience begins long before you enter the studio. Pre-wax care sets the foundation. Exfoliating 24 hours beforehand helps free trapped hairs, while proper hydration keeps the skin soft and receptive. But here's something many overlook: your mind matters just as much as your skin. Deep breathing, light stretching, guided visualization, all of it reduces the body's natural tension response. When your mind is calm, your body follows, and the entire experience becomes noticeably easier. This is where science meets serenity. During the wax itself, your approach shapes everything. Slow, steady, controlled breathing helps regulate your nervous system. Clear communication with your esthetician builds trust, allowing them to move at a pace that feels right for you. A great professional makes you feel safe, respected, and fully informed. No rush. No surprises. Just a calm, confident process from start to finish. When you understand what's happening, it becomes easier to reframe the sensation, not as pain, but as a brief, purposeful moment. On the way to a result you chose with intention. Aftercare is where comfort becomes confidence. Gentle hydration, breathable clothing, and avoiding unnecessary friction help your skin recover quickly and comfortably. Soothing ingredients like aloe and chamomile support the skin's natural balance, leaving you calm, refreshed, and glowing. But post-care isn't purely physical. Many describe an unexpected emotional lift, a sense of lightness, clarity, and renewal. Intentional care strengthens self-esteem. Over time, consistent mindful waxing can refine your skin's texture and deepen your connection with your body. Ultimately, this journey isn't just about waxing. It's about ownership. Your body. Your comfort. Your choice. When you transform the experience into something intentional, you send a powerful message to yourself: you are in control. This shift creates a ripple effect in how you see your body, how you treat yourself, and how you honor your own needs. If this new, empowered perspective resonated with you, share your thoughts in the comments and connect with others rewriting the same narrative. Let's continue this movement together, toward confidence, toward clarity, and toward a stronger, more mindful relationship with your body.